Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. I hope you all are fine there and doing good there. So please keep listening and watching this tutorial till the end because I am going to start discussion about the fifth top traded cryptocurrency, which is Cardano. So please, without time wasting, I am going to start. So before starting, it's humble request to all my new listeners and viewers, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, must click on the bell icon button for getting the more informative videos notification. Okay, so let's start. You need to know what is Cardano. So Cardano is a decentralized third generation proof of stake blockchain platform. While it shares characteristics and applications with other blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Cardano distinguishes itself from others through a committed peer reviewed scientific research as building blocks for update to its platform. There are three organizations are responsible for the Cardano's development. First one is IOHK Cardano Foundation and the second one is EMURGO. The first two are non-profit foundations and the third one is for profit identity. The first one, which is responsible for the building Cardano, works with the team of academics spread across over the world, which is process of the research to review the platform's update before the implementation to ensure that they are scalable. So now you need to know what are the key takeaways. Remember that Cardano is a blockchain and the small contracts platform, which is called the cryptocurrency ADA. Cardano has released the product for identity and the management and the product traceability. Cardano uses the Ouroboros of proof of stake algorithm to create the blocks and validate the transactions occurring on its blockchain. Cardano's main application. What are the main applications of Cardano's? Cardano's main applications are in identity management and traceability. The former's application can be used to streamline and specify processes that requires the collection of data from multiple sources. The latter application that can be used to trace and audit the product manufacturing processes from prevents to pre-finish good and potentially eliminated the market for goods. Now I am going to tell you what are the basic requirements for Cardano. Cardano requirements, the heart of any blockchain platform is algorithm. It uses to create the blocks, validate the transactions. Cardano uses the Ouroboros, an algorithm that uses proof of stake POS protocol to mine blocks. The protocol is designed to reduce energy. There is also energy levels expenditures during the block production process to minimum. It does this is by eliminating the need for hash power to massive the computing sources that are the central to functioning of the proof of work POW algorithm used by Bitcoin. Now, you need to know how Ouroboros work. On a board level, Ouroboros work as follows. Actually, it divides a physical time into epochs that are made up of slots. Now, you need to know what are the slots. Slots are the fixed time period. So, slots are similar to working shifts at a factory. Currently, an epoch lasts 5 days and slots last 1 second. But these numbers are configurable and can be changed after an update proposal. Epochs work in a circular fashion. When one ends, another starts. Now, the second concept of this discussion is how to buy and sell the Cardano. You can also use some different websites and also mobile application to buy sell Cardano with Turkish lira, Bitcoin and Tether. If you are not a BTC Turk member, then you need to go and register there by using your laptop and mobile application, then start buy and sell, get trading quickly. Now the most important thing is how to store the Cardano, which is every person want to know. Same as other cryptocurrencies, there is also some wallets used to store the Cardano tokens. So let's start. Cryptocurrencies can be stored in desktop, mobile, and hardware, same as the previous cryptocurrency, which is Tron. Okay, so you can use Deadless, a full node wallet developed by IOHK First Organization, a browser plug-in developed by EMURGO. These are recommended by developers of Cardano on their websites, so you can download them from different sites in your mobile device and you can start trading. For more your clearance, I'm going to tell you what is Cardano wallet. So remember that Cardano is the habitat for the ADA cryptocurrency, okay, which is mainly being used to send and receive digital funds, making direct transfers fast and possible through the use of cryptography. Now I am going to start telling you the top 7 best Cardano worlds which are in 2020. First one is Ledger Nano S, second one is Treasure Model T, third one is Datless Wallet, fourth one is Corda Wallet, fifth one is Infinito Wallet, sixth one is Atomic Cardano Wallet, and the last and the most valuable is Adalite. This is the seventh one. Okay, these are the 7 top listed Cardano wallets which are in 2020 and yet. Mostly people want to know how many cryptocurrencies and how many Cardano tokens are now in circulation. So keep listening please. I will tell you a total of 45 billion of ADA has been created. Approximately 31 billion ADA is currently in circulation. 26 million of this was sold in just 2017 at ICO. Wow, that's amazing information to know. If we start the compromise, then as compared to the larger network like Bitcoin, the Cardano network takes less energy to complete transactions, making it cheaper and more efficient. So this is very valuable than the Bitcoin. It aims to be more flexible and stable thanks to frequent update that make it less vulnerable to hacking, and with a strong network through it is still unable to compete with the big cryptocurrency. Market capitalization, its value is $1.80, and according to the market capitalization its worth is $57 million. So this is enough for you guys. I hope you get all the questions in this tutorial related to Cardano cryptocurrency. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel and keep listening and watching my tutorial on regular basis. Thanks for watching.